drunk, oh drunk, is such a friend. A world of fun till the night does end. No worries, no cares, just pure delight. Dancing like a crazy, shining bright. No need for sleep, no need for food, just endless laughter understood. Drunk is better than old, it's a fact. No wrinkles, no gray hair, no looking back. You can dance all night, sing out loud. Being drunk is a crowd-pleasing cloud. Forget the world, let trouble slide. In drunken bliss you can confide. No judgments here, no looking down, just soaring spirits, lost and found. With every sip, a magic spell, a carefree moment, a joyful swell. Drunk is better than old, it's a fact. No wrinkles, no gray hair, no looking back. You can dance all night, sing out loud. Being drunk is a crowd-pleasing cloud. No need for filters, no perfect pose, just raw emotion, let it disclose. Inhibitions vanish, hearts ignite, dancing shadows in the fading light. A symphony of laughter, cheers and song. The night belongs to us, where we belong. Drunk is better than old, it's a fact. No wrinkles, no gray hair, no looking back. You can dance all night, sing out loud. Being drunk is a crowd-pleasing cloud. Fully drunk in the world, let trouble slide. In drunken bliss you can confide. No drunk in the world, let trouble slide. In drunken bliss you can confide. No judgments here, no look at trouble slide. In drunken bliss you can confide.